Study skill.
Study skills are essential for academic and professional success. Beyond the mere accumulation of knowledge, study skills enable us to understand, analyze and apply information effectively, allowing us to reach our full potential in learning and career. On this occasion, we will explore some keys to developing solid and effective study skills. Organization is a fundamental aspect of study skills. This involves establishing an orderly study environment free of distractions, as well as developing organizational habits to manage time and resources efficiently. By creating a quiet, well-equipped study space, we can minimize distractions and maximize our productivity and concentration. Additionally, by planning and prioritizing our tasks and responsibilities, we can ensure we use our time effectively and meet deadlines. Time management is another crucial aspect of study skills. Time is a limited and valuable resource, and knowing how to use it effectively is essential for academic and professional success. This involves setting clear and achievable goals, developing a structured study plan, and meeting deadlines consistently. By practicing self-discipline and time management, we can avoid procrastination and last-minute stress, and stay on track toward our academic and career goals. Critical reading and note-taking are essential skills for success in studying. This involves reading actively and thoughtfully, identifying key ideas and the relationships between them, and taking concise, organized notes to facilitate later review and understanding. By developing these skills, we can improve our ability to understand and remember information, as well as to critically analyze and evaluate different perspectives and arguments. Developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills is another important aspect of study skills. This involves analyzing and evaluating information objectively and systematically, identifying the strengths and weaknesses of the arguments and reaching conclusions based on the available evidence. Furthermore, it involves addressing challenges and obstacles in a creative and proactive way, seeking effective and adaptive solutions to the problems we encounter in our path. Collaboration and teamwork are also important skills in the studio and in the workplace. Exchanging ideas and collaborating with others can enrich our learning and promote an environment of support and camaraderie. By actively participating in class discussions, studying with classmates, and collaborating on team projects, we can broaden our perspective and strengthen our communication and collaboration skills.
Conclusion.
In short, study skills are critical to academic and professional success. By developing organizational, time management, critical reading, note-taking, critical thinking, problem-solving, collaboration, and teamwork skills, we can improve our ability to learn, grow, and achieve our goals in life. May this journey of self-discovery and development guide us towards a bright and promising future.